Goal number 2 was sanitation scores for the infant toddler environmental rating scale ITERs will increase to a minimum of 4.5 after completing a mock assessment. So there were mock assessments done by the CCR&R, Child Care Resource and Referral, and we found that there needed to be some increase in the sanitation portion of the scale. So the goal is to increase these scores to at least a 4.5 in a few months. So the strategies that we will use would be to give the teachers handouts of the sanitation procedures, including the hand washing procedure, when hands should be washed, the same sink issue, and diapering procedures. We will ask the staff to look over these procedures and try to correct any lapses in implementation of the proper procedures. Another strategy will be ongoing observation. We will observe the staff to ensure the progress. Staff will be encouraged also to ask questions for any clarification needed to implement the procedures properly.